What's up, everybody? It's the Guru here. Just wanted to first of all thank everybody for watch time, engagement, sharing everything lately. We have been blowing up, and it's really super exciting. So, yeah, I just want to take a second right here and show you something cool. The little brother jumped on my 450 SXF, as you guys know, and came out of retirement a couple weeks ago. And he really liked the KTM, but we didn't realize he liked it that much. I'm just kind of walking around taking some video of everybody here, and we look over and he skies the 120-foot natural tabletop that nobody had jumped in, I don't know, 5 or 6 years. Now, this is not a jump. You're seeing him jump. It's a natural transition from one hayfield to another. We used to jump it a lot, and then the face kind of got messed up over time, and our bulldozer's been down, so we haven't fixed it. But he somehow found a line on the face of it on this day, and you can see how far Krista's jumping out there. But yeah, he skied it. Pretty exciting, a little bit scary. Yeah, hope you enjoy. I'll have some GoPro footage up of this jump soon.